It's fall season and I know that you're excited over your knitwears and coats, but before it gets any colder, I wanted to share this style inspiration with you. Wearing blazer with shorts. I've seen some stylish short suit outfits, but after seeing this particular look by LeBron James in the 2018 NBA Finals, I've been inspired to put together a similar look. Not in a formal sense as King James has done with his, but at least with a blazer and shorts. I had some of the pieces already, but had to invest in a couple more. It's been 2 years putting the pieces together, but finally, the outfit is here. So, without wasting any more time, let's just see how it looks like. Oh, but before then, if you like such content, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button real quick. Outfit number 1. I'll begin with black boots and socks, black shorts, and a white button-down shirt by Thom Browne. And that reminds me, everything LeBron has on in that picture was designed by Thom Browne, from the boots, suits, right to the custom alligator bag. Moving on, it's time to put on the jacket. For my blazer, I go for a Lardini double-breasted piece and the color in Bordeaux because I believe it creates a very good contrast with the black shorts, black socks, and boots. At this point, I'm liking the look, it's coming together, but you always have to accessorize when you're wearing your jacket, and so I decided to throw in the pocket square, and after that, I feel like the look is perfect. I am absolutely loving this. I would definitely go out in this. I've never worn this. This is the first time putting the look together in this video. And so let me know in the comment section below whether you like it or not. Also, do tell if you've experimented in the past with a short suit or blazer and shorts. The Lardini jacket appears to have what is a surgeon's cuffs with no buttons, and so you can play around with the cuffs a little bit, fold it over to add a little bit of edge to your look. Now it's time to pick up your duffel bag, and I believe I have my LeBron James outfit. As you can see, I don't have a tie on because, like I said before, I don't want the look to be too formal. Relaxed, yet with a sophisticated touch. Now that we're here, let's explore more. What if with the same outfit we had a t-shirt on instead of the white button-down shirt? Or what even we had on a turtleneck? I like turtlenecks. I believe they're very sophisticated. So t-shirt, turtleneck. You know what? Let's try first with a turtleneck. Outfit number 2. With a black turtleneck, what we're going for is an all black everything with the Lardini jacket to contrast. When the force is not working, I better go get it myself. Once again, I think this outfit works very well. Pocket square, don't need it. Lardini jackets normally come with a floral lapel accents, and so with the black turtleneck, I don't think we need a white pocket square. We have enough accessories in the outfit to make it still golden. Outfit's good, pick up your duffel bag, and you're all set. Outfit number 3. The Lardini jacket has hints of gray. Even the lapel accent is actually dark gray, and so I decided to, instead of the black turtleneck, go for a gray one to see how that comes across. And let's just say I don't like it like outfit number 2, and so we should just quickly move on from outfit number 3. Outfit 4. So basically what we have here is a simple t-shirt, the black shorts, socks and boots with a single chain to accessorize. Now all we have to do is throw on the Bordeaux Lardini jacket to see how that comes across. If you could wear the jacket anytime today, please. Okay, so outfit 4 works. I like it, simple yet dapper and very suave. As you can see, I have the white pocket square bag because of the white t-shirt, and I think this outfit also looks very good. What's your favorite outfit? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Don't forget to subscribe, and on to my next video. I've been told, gentlemen.